At BNI Sanskriti, I've been a member for 3 years. It has been the most awesome experience. In fact, I would clearly say in one line, I am addicted to BNI.
I've been now with BNI for over 2.5 years and my experience has been fantastic.
BNI has been such an amazing journey for me. Since I've been wearing this badge, it's been about 1.5 years. The moment you wear this badge, the seal of trust is already authenticated. And in Sanskriti, we always believed in making the other person stronger. So I have 56 people or 58 people in this room who are my pillars for my organization.
BNI gives us, Sanskriti especially, gave me that support structure, whether it is in terms of vendors, whether it is in terms of friends. So starting from a tax consultant in Bangalore, or sorting out problems in my Bombay office, or giving me a wonderful set of vendors who could help me further win business.
I want to make a great video film for my company. Where do you think I got a guy to shoot this from? I wanted to design my brochure. Where do you think I got the vendor from? I wanted to design my website. I wanted to print my brochure. Each and every of these vendors have been from BNI. And in each of these cases, not only have I got fantastic service, I think it's come at a very reasonable rate too.
My biggest challenge was networking and marketing because I'm a creative person at heart. So BNI helped me to get rid of that challenge, and through one of its training, I met a client and I got connected to a big client like Bacardi over there, and it resulted in a single business of 16 lakhs for me. So I think it has been a fantastic journey. I'm only 9 months old in this chapter, and I just can't say what I'll be doing without it.
So I did Money Talk with RJ Chris for a trial period of 2 weeks, which got extended for 2 months, and it finally became a permanent feature on their radio station every morning at 8 o'clock for almost 6 months. I had a dream of doing a radio show on money once a week, but through BNI Connection, it happened for 6 consecutive months on every weekday. That was stupendous. I had never imagined I would get a connection for radio doing a money show.
And also, I think the kind of people that you have, the support team here that you have, it's helped me consolidate my offerings and to add value to my clients. I think that's the best thing which today any client has anything, I can offer them the services of any fellow member, and I know that the client will leave away satisfied. I think BNI essentially is the fundamental basis any entrepreneur should have who wants to really scale up and grow. Where else will you get like 50, 55 people who all credible entrepreneurs who are running their own business work